The dimension, like other application in Adobe, are direct link with the Photoshop. If you insert, for example, a decal here as a texture, you can create it inside Photoshop as an artwork. Create new. For example, the dimension is not important, but it's for better quality. Important thing here is you can link your graphic to the graphic with artboards. Create artboard and create. As you can see, this is our first artboard. And you can insert any object here. For example, we have some HDR PNG image here. You can insert it as a first artboard number 1. You can hit enter. You can click on this artboard and you can rename it. This is our first. Like other thing in a Photoshop, you can holding Alt and copy that artboard and you can rename it as artboard number 2. And you can insert another graphic that you want here. Okay. For example, this logo, you can search them on YouTube and insert them. That's nice. And you can hit enter. Nice. As you can see, we have two artboard, number 1 and number 2. And don't forget to save it as PSD. Okay, in our desktop, we save it as an artboard and you can insert it as a decal there. Going to our dimension and you can insert it as a decal by click and dragging from a desktop here. Okay, as you can see, it inserts as a decal. You can add, delete background or add any background. As you can see, it's very nice. In the image, as you can see, the dimension define that to artboard that you insert in the Photoshop. If you click artboard, as you can see, it's artboard number 2. And they are connecting to each other. For example, you want to create changing the size of it. You can go to the Photoshop. You can change the size of it. For example, change its position, update the size, bigger, and hit enter, and Control S to save it. It's direct link with this, but you have to refresh it. Artboard number 1, then 2. Now, as you can see, the scale of it will be changing automatically, but you have to refresh it switch between artboard number 1 and 2. And this connection is also with Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, with dimension. All of the power of the Adobe is that its applications are directly connected to each other and we are very comfortable to using them. Nice. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.